In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to make lo-fi music inside of Suno AI. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Suno AI like you usually would and log into your account. Then from here, you need to go over to Create over here and click on the symbol up here. Then from here, you can also name the song if you want to do that. And you also need to make sure that you click Instrumental. Then from here, you need to click in your prompts. And if you don't already have a couple prompts, I have a guide down in the description for you to check out. But to write a prompt, you simply need to click in Lo-fi study music. We'll make it peaceful, guitar. We need soft strings, calm drums. And we want it to be around 60 beats per minute with a 4x4. Then from here, you simply need to click Create, and then Suno AI will do its magic and make the song for you. And we can take a listen to both of them when they finally render. And that was the first melody. We can take the other one too. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!